Planet shakers. See, look at this man. Oh, okay, she may even bam my camera as it's busy for me.
Sorry.
Oh my god, I've suffered. Yeah, guys, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I uploaded, but this one is a little one, so get ready. I say. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Voma. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know what to do. Comment down your thoughts. Please. So today we're gonna be cleaning, and I'm not feeling too well. We are in our girly era of the month, so I'm going through it, but yeah, I'm going to share something during the course of the video, but stay tuned. We gotta throw the bad days and welcome the new days. Come on, man. Come on, man. Planet shakers. See, look at this man. Oh, okay, she may even bam my camera as it's busy for me.
Sorry.
Oh my god, I've suffered. This is what I want. See, copyright more here. I say.
YouTube trolling.
Look at what's left. Yo, crazy. Similar. And I believe you said it is done. You said I believe you said it. You said I believe you said it. Yeah, pine, super. This is for a car, but who's gonna know if I use it? Yeah, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Yeah, this is pine. Let's get into the job of the day. trying to upload a video and it's taking way much longer than I thought. It's this video over here. Oh, this one. I'm trying so much to upload it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like over here, and it's taking so long. It's almost like 2 days. I understand it's a long video, like it's really long, like 50 minutes, but then I reduced it to like 43, but still, I don't know why. But hopefully it's gonna upload before this one that you're watching. This one, before you watch this one you would have watched it. Yeah, it's like I went to and attended a Planet Shakers conference, and also I went to Grandways for my first time, and it was a really good experience. So this is like all documented in this video, but then it's taking too long to upload. But we're still trusting God to make it possible, and at least because the video is a really nice video, and yeah. But I see it's moving more than yesterday. Yesterday it was like literally standing in one place. Like I was like, what the hell? Yeah, it's moving. Soon it's gonna be done. But yeah, it's moving. It's moving. Yeah, guys, it's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks since I uploaded. But this one is a lit one, so get ready.
RDMS.
Give me life, give me love.
Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come.
on.
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. Been praying on this since a kid. I guess it's just luck if you say